Knowing that danger can strike at any moment, we made sure our Subaru STARLINK in-vehicle technology could offer assistance 24/7, 365 days a year. When an airbag deploys, automatic collision notification alerts an advisor who will contact you via Starlink.
Information Services.
Megan, we've been notified that your airbags have deployed. Do you need me to send assistance?
Hi. Yes, I was forced off the road and I hit a tree.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but my car's stuck.
After determining your needs, your Starlink advisor will confirm your location and arrange for assistance. If there's no response, they will automatically send a first responder.
All right, Megan. Help is on its way.
Thank you.
In those important moments following a crash, we can act immediately to make sure you and your Subaru are well cared for, thanks to Subaru STARLINK in-vehicle technology.